तो जब एथिक्स की क्लासेस करते थे तभी मतलब बैक ऑफ द माइंड था कि नहीं, आई हैव टू डू इट। और मतलब एथिक्स तो ये था कि हुआ तो आपकी वजह से ही। मेंस लिखते ही सर आई न्यू कि इट वेंट गुड। तो सर आई मैसेज्ड यू एंड आई मीन द स्कोर सेज इट ऑल। कोई भी कंसोलिडेटेड सोर्स नहीं है, और अगर कोई सोर्स है भी उससे थिंकिंग कैपेबिलिटी आपकी डेवलप नहीं होती है।
नहीं हो।
तो सर जैसे मैंने तो आपका ही कोर्स फॉलो किया था, तो उससे एक तो थिंकिंग एबिलिटी भी डेवलप हुई, कंटेंट भी डेवलप हुआ, क्वालिटी एनरिचमेंट भी हुआ। और सर ये होता है कि कोर्स खत्म होने के बाद हाउ एम आई थिंकिंग। तो वो मेरी जब थिंकिंग डेवलप हो गई तो सर आई मीन एथिक्स में सर बाकी कुछ रहा नहीं और करने के लिए।
I remember asking you the same question in 2020 mains when I'm writing the first time. Sir, these codes are not, I am not even understanding what is the point of writing. So then you said one thing. In every quotation, you try to break down.
Even your mains test series was helpful. It was life saving for me, to be honest. I think if I was not a part of the mains test series at that point in my life, I don't think I would have been able to even continue preparation, let alone appear in the prelims.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on Elite Academy. CSC Mains 2024 is over. अभी रिसेंटली जो मेंस का एग्जाम हुआ है ओवर हुआ है, एंड जीएस पेपर 4 एथिक्स का पेपर भी ओवर हुआ है, ऑप्शनल भी ओवर हुआ है. एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर दैट यू ऑल मस्ट हैव गॉन थ्रू द क्वेश्चन पेपर, यू मस्ट हैव डेवलप्ड द पर्सपेक्टिव, नॉलेज एंड सारी चीजें कि आगे के लिए एक वे फॉरवर्ड क्या है. दोज हु आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द फ्यूचर, आपको एक आइडिया लगा होगा. एंड tomorrow or day after tomorrow we will be also coming up with our mains analysis about the recently held exams. जो भी पेपर है उसकी एनालिसिस हमारी क्या है, एंड वी विल गिव यू पर्सपेक्टिव्स, डायरेक्शंस दैट हाउ यू शुड प्रिपेयर फॉर द फ्यूचर. बट टुडे वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट एथिक्स GS paper 4, and today we are going to talk about why ethics matters for UPSC CSC. It will be a complete guide. We will discuss every aspect of it and we will try to understand the different dimensions. So why ethics is important? Why UPSC has introduced it in civil services exam? कुछ तो इसका पर्पस होगा, and as an aspirant we should know its importance. Ethics is important for all these reasons. First, it empowers you for life. It prepares you for life. एथिक्स जो होता है, जो लर्निंग होती है एथिक्स सब्जेक्ट में, जो आप सीखते हैं, आपके डूज एंड डोंट्स, द डिसीजन मेकिंग, इट मेक्स यू अ पर्सन हु नोज द बाउंड्री. यू लर्न फ्रॉम योर सराउंडिंग, यू लर्न फ्रॉम योर पेरेंट्स, यू लर्न फ्रॉम योर फैमिली, स्कूल, एजुकेशन. ये जितनी लर्निंग होती है उसको एथिक्स के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से जब आप कोलेट करते हो, यू विल नो व्हाट इज योर वैल्यू सिस्टम, यू विल बी अवेयर ऑफ योर मॉरल्स, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली यू विल बिकम अ वेरी गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग, a law abiding citizen, and a person who is holistic, who is complete, right? So that is the biggest learning of this paper, and you should say thanks to UPSC that they have introduced this paper. And I am very sure that all the UPSC aspirants who are taking this paper and learning from it and not considering it just a paper to qualify in the civil service exam, if you are not thinking that way, then I am very sure that you are building your personality, you are building your character. So that is the biggest importance of this paper. It empowers you for life. Talking about civil services, because you are going to become a bureaucrat, then all the skills needed, be it integrity, honesty, probity, problem solving skills, the attitude, the emotional intelligence, empathy, all kind of skill sets which are needed for you to become a civil servant, या एक bureaucrat के अंदर जो जो skills होनी चाहिए, ये पेपर पढ़ने के बाद, नॉट ओनली पढ़ने, उसको प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद ये सारे स्किल्स आपके अंदर इम्बाइब होती हैं. इफ वी टॉक डायरेक्टली अबाउट एग्जाम, सो मेंस एंड इंटरव्यू के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से इसकी इंपॉर्टेंस है. मेंस, देयर इज वन कंप्लीट पेपर ऑफ 250 मार्क्स, दैट इज डायरेक्ट. 250 मार्क्स इज ह्यूज, और अगर आप उसमें अच्छे मार्क्स लाते हो, यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड, अपने सीनियर्स या टॉपर से आपने सुना होगा कि एस्से, एथिक्स एंड ऑप्शनल को संभाल लो, बाकी सारी चीजें हो जाएंगी. एंड इफ यू हैव टू गेट टॉप रैंक, देन एस्से, एथिक्स इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द फाइनल मेरिट लिस्ट, बिकॉज इन द फाइनल मेरिट लिस्ट ethics paper is ticket for your selection. If you are getting good marks, very good marks, the scope of getting very high and very good marks in ethics is immense. So directly 250 marks. The learning, the way you learn how to write the answers and the concepts which you are learning in ethics, they have its direct implication in essay paper as well, and essay paper का भी 250 marks का weightage है. So वो जो अभी हमने देखा है सेक्शन ए, सेक्शन बी, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट दिस एसए पेपर, अभी आज की डेट में रिसेंट ईयर्स में जितने भी एसए के टॉपिक्स आ रहे हैं दे आर फिलोसॉफिकल इन नेचर, एंड फिलोसॉफिकल टॉपिक्स को हैंडल करना और इजी हो जाता है व्हेन यू हैव लर्न्ड द एथिक्स syllabus properly, ethics, answer writing, if you have command on the concepts, then the dimensions, the arguments which you will be writing in essay paper will be very good and very unique. That is the second advantage in mains. The third advantage in mains is spill over dimensions in GS paper. Whenever you are writing GS answers, be it geography, society, IR, polity, or security, economy, everywhere you can add the dimension of ethics. Be it ethics in politics or societal ethics or international ethics, business ethics, medical ethics, everywhere you can add an extra dimension of behavioral aspects, of value aspect. तो यहाँ से आपको बहुत सारे ऐसे डायमेंशन मिल सकते हैं which not everybody will be able to integrate. So you can integrate the learnings of ethics in other GS papers. So that is called spillover effect. वो spillover effect से आपके मार्क्स इंक्रीज होंगे. So that is an added advantage. Now comes the interview. While you are preparing for mains and when you are preparing it holistically, your personality, your character is in making. And that will be reflected in interview because interview में आप bluff नहीं कर सकते हो. Interview के marks हमें पता है कि directly कितने होते हैं and वो make और break वाली situation होती है. So whatever you are learning in ethics, जो keywords आप ethics में use करते हो वो अपने इंटरव्यू के आंसर डिलीवरी में डायरेक्टली यूज कर सकते हो. डायमेंशन जो आप आंसर्स बोलते हो जब आंसर डिलीवरी करते हो तो उसमें जो डायमेंशन होगी एम्पैथी की डायमेंशन, कई बार आपको सिचुएशन दी जाती है दैट ओके इफ यू आर आईएएस देन हाउ विल यू बिहेव. सो द मोमेंट यू स्पीक दैट सर आई विल ओके हैंडल दिस इन अ वे जहां आपकी एम्पैथी इंटीग्रिटी रिफ्लेक्ट हो रही है, दैट विल सेट यू अपार्ट. कुछ बच्चे बहुत मैकेनिकल बोलते हैं सर आई विल गो बाय रूल्स, आई विल डू दिस, आई विल डू दैट. सो यू विल गेट डायमेंशंस हाउ टू प्रेजेंट माय आंसर्स. एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली जो पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट्स यूपीएससी ने दिए हैं वो सारी चीजें जब यूपीएससी बोर्ड आपको टेस्ट करता है उन लाइंस पे, तो एथिक्स की लर्निंग अगर आप अच्छे से इम्बाइब किए अपने पर्सनालिटी में, सो योर पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट्स विल बी रिफ्लेक्टेड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द इंटरव्यू बोर्ड. सो दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड टुगेदर द मेंस एंड इंटरव्यू मार्क्स they will help you to get into the holy PDF, the final merit list, right? This is the importance of ethics. So ethics is everywhere. Ethics is everywhere. जब आप न्यूज़पेपर खोलते हैं आपको मिलेगा कि ethics is everywhere. Ethics is there in higher education. It is there in medical science. It is there in parliament. Ethics and morality is there in our mythology. It is there in movies. It is there in today's cyber world. It is there in biotechnology. So ethics is everywhere. आपको वो नजरिया चाहिए. In fact, ethics is also in space related issues. So this article, Navigating the Ethical Frontiers of Space Exploration from Chandrayaan 3 Trans to Cosmic Conundrums, this article was written by me and Kritika ma'am. इसको हम लोगों ने फाइनेंशियल एक्सप्रेस में ये आर्टिकल आया था. So ethics is everywhere. आप इस आर्टिकल को जरूर पढ़िए. You will get the perspective about the ethical dimension in space explorations as well. So ethics is everywhere. We need to have that eye. We need to empower ourselves कि हमारे वो समझ हो और वो ऑब्जर्वेशन हमारा बढ़े. Definitely for our learning, and that learning now we have to see that as an aspirant we have to utilize it from our exam point of view. So we have to develop the exam orientations as well. So ethics is everywhere. Now when we are talking about a complete guide, we are talking about that mains is over and ethics is everywhere and how important ethics is for us. So here we should also understand that how we should empower ourselves for ethics paper. So for that particular reason, we are announcing our ethics course. So we are going to come up with the ethics complete module, which is a course where we are going to focus on conceptual clarity, answer writing and marks enhancement. And in the past many of my students have scored 130 plus. Be it Tushar, जिसकी वीडियो आपने हमारे YouTube पे देखा होगा. He was my ethics complete module student and in his very first attempt he has got 133 marks, AIR 284. My student Ashwin, rank 148 this year, he was already an IRS officer. Now in CSE 2023 he has been allocated IPS and he was able to improve his marks from 114 to 131. Kritika ma'am, she was all India rank 100 CSE 2018. With our approaches she was able to score 121 marks, which was the second highest marks that year in 2018, right? So If you want to be the next, you are most welcome. And definitely your perspective, the way you learn and the way you incorporate the answers, the way you are going to incorporate the learnings in the answers, the observation, everything will be changed. So if you want to be the next, you are most welcome. I'm going to talk about the features of this course, and then we will understand that how we are going to approach whole subject. So why ethics at Elite Academy? Because here our focus will be on holistic coverage. Every keyword given in the syllabus, we need to have conceptual clarity, right? So that is very, very important. Unless we have conceptual clarity, we will not be able to write anything on the paper, and then patchwork, reading from here, there, thinking that ethics is very easy, then things will be difficult. Our focus will be to empower you with set of keywords. Almost 250 plus keywords will be given to you, and it will be taught to you, and we will tell you how to utilize it in the answers. Focus is on content enrichment. Content enrichment will happen with the help of case studies, example, current affairs example, quotes. That is how we enrich our answers in ethics. Then answer writing from the very first class, first day itself, we have components of practice, where we will be giving you practice question after every topic which we will teach. Then previous year question is again very important. Whatever topics we will cover, PYQs will be given to you, it will be discussed, you will be writing answers on them. So it will be discussed after the completion of the topic. So this is what we are going to do from the very first day. And from the very first class itself, very first day itself, our focus is on exam orientation. There are certain special attractions also for you. For example, the first one is we are going to cover moral thinkers. 40 plus thinkers के बारे में आपको बताया जाएगा, उनकी learning कैसे use करनी है, कहाँ use करनी है, that is going to be there. Then value addition material for extra coverage. If any content is important, we will give you as a VAM, which will help you in wider coverage. Then we have free case study workshop dedicated only for your case studies learning. Ready templates will be given. So that is a worth class of 5 days. That is a separate course, but it will be offered to our students who will be part of our complete module. Then we have coverage of current issues from ethics point of view. For example, अभी जो भी issue चल रहा है animal ethics का, space का, और ethics committee, parliament, and then पूजा खेड़कर, ऐसे जितने भी इश्यूज के स्टडीज के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, कॉन्सेप्ट्स के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, करंट के इश्यूज का एक स्पेशल लिंकेज होगा इन एवरी टॉपिक. सो दिस इज द स्पेशल अट्रैक्शन. टॉकिंग अबाउट developing the exam orientation. So definitely our focus is on developing the exam orientation from the very first day, but how we will do it? So we have very unique component of thought to ponder, through which in the past our students have enjoyed a lot, how we empower them and how we empower their thought process to use their observation and to link the learning of the ethics in their surroundings. So thought to ponder is very unique component here. Then writing practice from the very first day. Then we have 8 unit tests. So there are 8 units in ethics, including the case studies one. So after every unit there will be one test. Then we have a full length test after the completion of the whole syllabus. And revision friendly revision mind maps will be given to you. So 1 page revision mind map will be given to you for the whole unit. Whatever I will teach in the whole unit, you will have one mind map through which you will understand, अच्छा ये पढ़ा है, ऐसे पढ़ा है, ऐसे पढ़ा है. So before exam you will not struggle. Whatever you have learned through me and whatever you will learn separately extra कुछ अगर वहीं पे आप add कर लो, and you will be able to revise everything very quickly and efficiently. So a quick revision, it will be a class where 40 concepts classes will be there, a special case studies class will be there, 8 unit test and full length test will be there, and weekly 3 classes will be there. Each class will be of 2.5 hours, and so you need to seize your spot. And we are starting on 12th October, and the mode of operating this class will be, it will be offline, available at our Bangalore branch, and online it will be available for rest of the India. So you're most welcome to attend our classes, and the whole course will be taken by me. I will teach the class, and some of you might even be worried about the mode of delivery. So maybe in the YouTube videos I'm using Hindi and English, but the class, this ethics class, will be purely and completely in English. So the students who are from the southern part of the country, and if you are feeling ki no English and Hindi, so it will be in English, so you don't have to worry for that. Okay, so this is about our ethics complete module. So remember that why ethics is important. If you will remember its importance, and if you are a serious aspirant who is aiming to get a rank to become an IAS officer, then you should know that ethics is very, very important. And don't go with a patchwork approach, rather build a strong foundation with a conceptual clarity, and स्ट्रॉन्ग फाउंडेशन के साथ साथ कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी के साथ साथ वी शुड हैव अ वेरी गुड होल्ड ऑन आंसर राइटिंग एज वेल. So this is about our course. All the related description and details you will find in the description box, the link to join, and if you want to go through the students testimonial, the brochure and everything, it is provided in the description box, right? So see you all in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.